Hello aspirants, welcome to Career Mentors. This is your mentor Shamita and today we are going to fill up Christ University's CUET application form. But before beginning, make sure you have all these required documents ready. That is, scan passport size photograph of yourself. Make sure the photograph is in white background. It should be clear. And most importantly, the size of the photograph should be less than 100 kb. The format of the photograph can be in JPG, JPEG or PNG. Second, calculated marks of 10th, 11th, 12th board exams. Third, debit card, credit card or UPI details for the fees payment. So that's it. We are all set. Now let's fill up the form together. Now go on Google and type Christ University. A number of sites will get open. On the right hand side you can see Christ deemed to be university website. Click on the website tab. So this is the official website for Christ University. You will be able to see a tab called admissions. Click on that and click on undergraduate and postgraduate programs. In this tab, again click on undergraduate programs. Now, the students who are aspiring to do law, they can click on School of Law, and the students who wish to do BBA can click on School of Business and Management. I will click on School of Law. As soon as you click on School of Law, there will be a number of programs which will be displayed on your screen. Now select any one of the program which you aspire to do. I will click on BBA LLB Honors. A different set of tab will be opened. Now, the students who are applying for the first time will have to register themselves on the portal. If you have already registered yourself on the portal, then you just have to log in with your credentials. Just click on the register. Now fill up your details. I will fill up my name. Now for filling up your name, keep in mind this name should be exactly same as the name which is mentioned in your 10th mark sheet. I repeat, this name which you put in your registration should exactly be same as it is on your 10th mark sheet. If your surname is first and your name is latter in your 10th mark sheet, you have to follow the same pattern. For this, you can refer to your 10th mark sheet if you want to. For email ID, I will put mentors Nagpur @gmail.com. Make sure the email ID is in a working condition as you will be receiving a OTP, that is one-time password, on this particular email. Now put any password which is comfortable to you. I will put a password related to my name. So this is, yeah. Check your details again, especially your name and your email, and click on register. Please verify the registered name as per class 10 record is Shamita Gautam Chakraborty. Change of name will not be accepted after registration. So as I mentioned before, that the name that you are providing in the registration process should exactly be same as it is mentioned in your class 10th mark sheet. It is mine exactly same, so I'll click on confirm. Now here we have to put the one-time password which they have sent on our registered email ID. I'll click on my email ID. No. Yeah, see. Can you see this? Christ University's online application registration, and here is the OTP, that is 605522. So I'll go back to my portal. It's 605522. Is 605522, and it's done. So you have successfully registered yourself on the Christ University's portal. From now, we will begin our application process. So for BBA law or whichever course you are applying for, you have to click on undergraduate degree. Just click on an undergraduate degree, a number of options will be displayed. First is School of Agriculture, Humanities and Social Sciences. For now, students who want to pursue BBA LLB or BA LLB have to click on any of this school. Students who wish to pursue BBA from Christ University, just come down, scroll down, and there is an option of School of Business and Management. Here are a number of option schools given here. Campus specific even. I would recommend you go for BBA honors and honors with research. Don't select your campus here. You can do that later on. For now, I will be showing the application procedure for law, but both the any of the application procedure is exactly the same. I'm going with law. I'm going with BBA LLB honors. On the right hand side, there is an option apply online. I will click on apply online. See, this is the basic information. There are a number of steps which you have to go through. First is your basic information, then guidelines, then terms and condition, detailed application, and then payment lastly. So for this program type, undergraduate degree, stream, School of Law, first preference, I have to select a campus. I am selecting Delhi NCR campus, or I'm going with Bangalore Central Campus. This should be my first preference. You can go according to your preference. And third preference, PLLB, Delhi NCR. You can go with your required preferred preference. Candidate's name as printed on class 10th SSLC record. Just check your name once again before submitting your application form. Date of birth as per class 10th. So as per class 10th, just select your date of birth. It should be near about 2005 for you guys, I suppose. Anything, any date of birth will work. Now, check your email ID once again. Country code is already given, and just put up your mobile number. Check your provided mobile number once again and make sure this particular mobile number is in working condition so that you receive all the updates that is provided from the Christ University. Yeah, we are all done. So basic information is done. We are on the guidelines. Just go through the entire guideline once. I will read it for you. Dear applicant, you can pay the non-refundable application processing fee for the preferred program through online payment gateways. Candidates should have a valid credit card or debit card or net banking facility to proceed further. This is the payment method they have explained here. Just you can pay the fees through debit card or credit card or a valid net banking. Once you have read all the guidelines, just click on I have understood the terms and procedures and fees for the application processing, and just click on accept. Without accepting the guidelines, obviously your application form won't move ahead. Now this is the terms and conditions. Just go through all the terms and conditions provided here, which is very important. Once you have done through all the terms and conditions, you have to accept all of these threes. That is, I have a valid credit card or debit card or net banking facility for online payment of application processing fee. Then I have the copy of statement of marks and certificate of class 10th, class 11th or 12th, whichever is applicable to you. And I have read and agreed the above guidelines, terms and conditions of the university application and admission process 3. So you have to accept all these three. Without accepting all these three terms and conditions, you cannot proceed ahead. Once you are done, click on accept. So our terms and conditions are also done. Now this is our detailed application. I presume your name will already be there as you have previously provided in the previous pages. Candidate's name as printed on class 10th records. Check it once. Now date of birth, select your gender, your email ID, your citizenship, your country. Apply through overseas sponsor NRI. I am selecting no. Most of you will. You are not an NRI, select on no. If you are, select yes. Do you have a Aadhaar card? Yes, we do have Aadhaar card. Select on yes. Provide Aadhaar number. This is optional. See, the ones which is pointed marked as red pointers, that particular sections are mandatory to fill. Without filling up those blanks or section, you cannot proceed ahead in the application. But the ones which are not marked as red, you need not to fill up those blanks. So Aadhaar card, it is written as optional. I am not providing. If you want to, you can provide, or you can just skip it. Blood group, select your blood group. Now, participated in sports or extracurricular activities. If you have participated in any state level or national level sports or extracurricular activities, you can select yes, or if you haven't, you can simply select no. For now, I'm going with no. Are you differently abled? If you are differently able, then you can select on yes. If not, go with no. Place of birth. See, it is mandatory, it is marked as red, so you have to fill up this blank. I'm filling up mine. You can go with yours. Country, your details. So I was born in Kolkata, so I'll go with Kolkata. You have to provide your birthplace details. Don't copy mine. Okay? I hope I'm clear on this point. Yeah. Second is resident info. Religion. I am Hindu, so I am selecting Hinduism. If you belong to any other religion, select your own religion. Select section. I personally belong from general, so I am selecting here general. If you belong from any other category like OBC, SC, ST or any other, you have to select likewise. I am selecting general. If you belong to a rural area, you have to go with rural. If you belong to urban, you have to select urban. Now this phone details, like the landline details they are asking for, it is not mandatory. If you have, you can provide. If you don't have any landline number, then you can skip it. But mobile number is mandatory. Firstly, you have to provide country code. Then you have to provide your mobile number. Make sure this mobile number is in working condition. I'm repeating again. Second is extra details, mother tongue. You have to select your mother tongue. I'm selecting mine, which is Bengali. You can select your like Marathi, Gujarati, whatever it is. Now, passport details. See, it is not mandatory. It is not marked as red. So, you can skip it. It is recommended कि आप उसको skip कर दें. Come below address, current address. So firstly, read this line. Is permanent address same as current address? Yes or no? Is your permanent address is exactly same as your current address on the address you are living in? Okay, if it is yes, go with yes. If it is no, like if your permanent address is somewhere else, your hometown is somewhere else, and you are living in a hostel or somewhere else, you can go with no. I'm going with yes because both of my permanent and current address are same, so I'm going with yes. So I have to provide with my address, that is, you have to provide your address details. See, country you have to select. Then you have to select your state. See, now this particular pop-up will keep on like flashing on your screen, but you need not to be panicked because आपने already register कर लिया है. You have your credentials, so you can log in again. Just click on OK. Most of the time वो चला जाता है, आपको वापस से login नहीं करना होता है, but अगर करना पड़े, so you have your credentials. Don't get panicked. I'll come again. I was selecting my state, the state which you are living in. Maharashtra. I'll select the city and zip code is pin code. Just provide your pin code. If you don't know your pin code, you can see it on your Aadhaar card or any identity proof. I'll select on is permanent address same as current address. Yes, इसलिए permanent address वाला section गायब हो गया. If you would have select no, then permanent address हमको डालना पड़ता है अलग से. Okay, now coming below educational info. So you have to provide your details. So first the qualification of class 10th. So be ready with your calculated marks of class 10th. Also you can keep your 10th mark sheet and the scorecard in front of you in case you don't remember your marks. So the university or board from which you have done your 10th, I have done CBSE, I have done from CBSE. You will select from whichever board you have done your 10th. Is it, if it is ICSE, you have to select ICSE. If it is any other board, you have to select others. Or if it is state, you can select SSC. Okay, I'm going to select CBSE. Name of your institution means name of your school. Now it won't show a number of school names. Of course it is not going to. You have to select on other. So another blank will create. You have to type in your school name. Okay, I'm filling up my school name. You will fill up your own school name. Country or institution in which country of institution in which your school is situated. My school is obviously in India. I will go with India. And most of you have done your schooling from India, so go with India. Then it is for state of the institution, correct. So I have to go with Maharashtra. Then number of attempts, how many attempts you have given to pass your 10th, you have to select that number. Majority of you would have cleared in first attempt, I presume, so select one. Year of passing, 10th passing, you guys must be passed in 2020 or 2021, so I'm going with 2021. And month of passing is also marked as red, so it is important, you have to provide your month of passing. I'm selecting me. See, as soon as you click on the marks obtained, so this particular pop-up card will show, like it reads as please enter the obtained marks in this field. In case if the marks are in credit or CGPA, convert it into percentage and enter. For CBSE board, please multiply the obtained CGPA with 9.5, else the marks will be void. You cannot put up the CGPA pointer in this particular blank. You have to convert it into percentage and then fill up. Or you can simply enter your total marks. Okay, you cannot put CGPA. So if you have CGPA, just multiply your CGPA with 9.5 and whichever number you get, fill up that in the blank. I'm going with 475 as I remember that I had 5 subjects, 100 each subject. So total 500 in all. So the maximum marks for all these subjects should be entered here. Example, if there are 5 subjects and each subject is out of 100, then enter 500, else enter 100 if it is converted to percentage. If you are putting the obtained marks in percentage format, you have to fill up maximum marks in percentage format. ओके, आप यहाँ पे टोटल मार्क्स लिख के देन आप टोटल मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज में नहीं डाल सकते, आपको दोनों पॉइंटर सेम रखने पड़ेंगे। या तो दोनों आप टोटल मार्क्स में डालो, मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड एंड टोटल मार्क्स, या फिर परसेंटेज ऑब्टेन्ड एंड टोटल परसेंटेज। ओके, सो मैं यहाँ पे मार्क्स फिलअप कर रही हूँ, सो आई विल गो विथ मार्क्स इटसेल्फ। So it is on 500. Okay, it is out of 500. I have entered here 475 marks obtained out of 500. If you come down, there is a qualification for class 11th and 12th. If you are yet to appear for class 12 board, please fill out the details of 11th standard final exam. But if you have cleared your 12 boards and you have your marks and percentages, then you can go with your class 12 board exam marks. Okay, name of the examination, I will go with CBSE board again with CBSE. If you have cleared your class 12th board exam from any other boards, okay, or university, then you have to select likewise. Mine one was CBSE, I will go with CBSE. Same goes for the university or the board. Now name of the institution, again you have to click on other and type in your own school name. Okay, now country of the institution in which your school is situated, state of the institution, year of passing, number of attempts. So okay, we have missed number of attempts. I'm selecting here 1. if आपने अगर repeat पे 12 दिया होगा 2 बार, तो then you have to select 2 and likewise most of you आप लोगों ने एक बार में ही complete कर लिया होगा 12th, तो आपको 1 ही select करना है यहाँ पे। Now year of passing 2023 I suppose, यहाँ पे हम 2023 डाल देते हैं एंड सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे मंथ में। प्रीवियस एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर मतलब आपके क्लास 10th का रोल नंबर। ओके, आप मार्कशीट को देख के यहाँ पे प्लीज़ अपना रोल नंबर सही से डालिए, एज इट इज़ अ रेड मार्क्ड ब्लैंक, तो आपको मैंडेटरीली ये डालना पड़ेगा। सो आई एम हियर, आई एम टाइपिंग any 6 digit. I don't have my 10th mark sheet here. Okay, आपको ये नंबर नहीं डालना है, you don't have to put this particular number, you have to put your roll number, your class 10th roll number. Okay, now marks obtained, again for marks obtained अगर आप percentages में डाल रहे हो तो दोनों blanks percentages में होने चाहिए, maximum percentage obtained and maximum percentage and obtained percentage. If you are putting it in marks, then you have to put obtained marks and maximum marks. Okay, so I am going with total number of marks, so I will type 415 out of 500. Backlogs in previous semesters or years to be cleared. अगर आपके कुछ backlogs रह गए थे, you have to select yes. ज़्यादातर आप लोगों को नहीं कोई backlog रहा होगा, so you have to go with no. Okay, and then move down. Parent info. Now father's name is important and mother's name is important. बाकी किसी पे भी कोई red mark नहीं है, pointer नहीं है, so you can skip other details, but you have to provide the marks. Okay. Purti and select on mother's name. ओके एंड देन आप चाहे तो अपने पापा का एजुकेशन ऑक्यूपेशन इनकम पर एनम एंड इनकम करेंसी डाल सकते हैं सेम विज योर मदर और एल्स यू कैन स्किप इट इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी पेरेंट्स और गार्जियन एड्रेस if it is same as yours you can put the same okay again ये होते रहेगा it is वो glitch है वेबसाइट का ही it's nothing to do with us okay now select your country what is happening here India select your state and select your state put your pin code मतलब जहाँ पे भी आपके पेरेंट्स रिसाइड कर रहे हैं उस एड्रेस का पिन कोड आपको यहाँ पे डालना है सेम विथ मोबाइल नंबर कंट्री कोड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट यू कैन स्किप द लैंडलाइन पार्ट बट मोबाइल नंबर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट आई गो विथ 8690 now next is how did you know about this institution आपको क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कैसे पता चला यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट दैट I will go with advertisement. You can select any. If you have heard about Christ University from a friend, you go with friend. If relatives, go with relatives. School, institution, anything. Okay, I will go with advertisement. Now you have to upload a photo of yours. Choose file and we'll click on JPG file. Open and we'll click on submit. So this is a warning. Please verify the application form details before submission. तो आपको एक बार लास्ट चांस दिया जाएगा पूरे ही फील्ड्स चेक करने के लिए स्पेलिंग डिटेल्स डेट मंथ एवरीथिंग गो थ्रू ऑल योर डिटेल्स कि सब कुछ सही है कि नहीं है इसके बाद आपको नहीं दिया जाएगा once you click on submit now अभी आप जब उसको सबमिट कर देंगे तो आप उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकेंगे अगर आपको फोटो भी एक बार लग रहा है कि चेक करना चाहिए यू कैन क्लिक ऑन व्यू एंड यू कैन सी दी फोटो यू हैव अपलोडेड आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा फिर से डाउनलोड हो जाएगा यू कैन गो टू योर डाउनलोड्स एंड सी दी फोटोग्राफ दैट यू हैव अपलोडेड इन योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म एंड once all the details are confirmed and click on submit See, the detailed application is submitted. अब इसके बाद मैं चेंजेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ मेरे एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में सेम अप्लाइज टू यू वंस दैट वार्निंग shows up and you submit your form anyway you cannot change any of your details not even the spelling of your name or anything so the last section is of payment so you have to select venue if you are not an NRI which most of you won't be just click on online selection process select a date there are 2 dates available for the selection process I'm selecting 5/5/2023 you can go with 14th April 2023 whichever is convenient to you I'll click on 14th April then you have to agree on this declaration that I accept the date opted is binded on me and the Christ deemed to be university is not liable to offer me an alternate date in case I am not able to attend the selection process on the date. Okay? So आपको यहाँ पे पूरा पढ़ लेने के बाद select करना है I agree then you have to check program type is undergraduate degree Program is LLB, first preference is BBA LLB honors, and your first preference is showing up. Obviously you have provided 3 of your preferences, and you have to select on your credit card, debit card, net banking, whatever, and see amount show हो रहा है यहाँ पे, that is 1500. You have again, आपको आगे इसको select करना पड़ेगा. Please accept online payment. Terms and conditions, if you want to read, just you can click on terms and conditions and go through all the guidelines. Once you are done, click on pay online. As soon as you click on pay online, आपको वो redirect कर देगा उनके payment portal पे. See, this is the Christ University we are paying to, sum of 1500. Then here you can select whichever payment method you are comfortable with, UPI, debit card, credit card or other net banking details. ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने पहले आपको बोला था कि आप अपने पेमेंट डिटेल्स के साथ रेडी रहिए. इफ़ यू आर पेइंग थ्रू योर डेबिट कार्ड, प्लीज़ कैरी योर डेबिट कार्ड, मतलब सिट विथ योर डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड और एनीथिंग. Okay, once you're done, fill up all the details and make the payment and you are done. Yeah. So once you are done with the payment of application fees, close the tab. Make sure to check your profile on regular basis, as university will ask you to upload the documents. You will also receive a reminder mail for the same. You will find the document upload tab once you log into your profile. Make sure you have all these listed documents ready. 1. Scanned copy of class 10th and 11th mark sheet. 2. In case you are a 12th pass out, you need to upload class 12th mark sheet instead of class 11th. 3. If you belong to any special category like SC, ST or OBC, then you have to upload scanned copy of caste certificate and caste validity certificate. Well, that's it. If you like the video, do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any query or doubt or any question, you can put it in the comment box, and you can also tell us on which topic you want us to talk about in our next video. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram handle for more such valuable information. And till then, stay tuned. Good luck.